Good morning and welcome back to Adventure Clan. Today we're walking the Ridgeway. We're gonna start at Ivinghoe Beacon. We're gonna walk to Wendover, camp overnight, and tomorrow morning we're gonna walk to Princess Risborough, where my wife will pick us up. Let's go! We're starting our walk at Ivinghoe Beacon, the westerly end point of the Ridgeway, and we're gonna walk westward toward Wendover today. Around 22 kilometers. I have a 25-kilo backpack and Noah with me to keep me company, and a classic British day. Unfortunately, it's a bit gloomy. The last 2 weeks were sunshine when I went to work, but today when I'm doing this, it's clouded. But anyway, see you on the road. We just saw a red deer. He ran that way. Noah chased her for a bit, but that's no good. I have to keep her on the lead for a while. There's a really big group of hikers over there. I think they're scouts. I'm just gonna follow them. They seemed very well prepared with maps and 2 guides, adults with them, so I think they know where they're going. I'm just gonna follow them. I have no map. I have just a general idea where to go. That's where we came from. the skies are starting to clear up and we can see the surroundings. Apparently on a clear sunny day you can see up to 6 counties from these hills. We started from over there, the farthest hill, and we're just hill hopping along the Chiltern Hills. Red kites are out. Noah is tired already, she's drinking all my water. There's sheep grazing everywhere. It looks like the start of a beautiful day. Oh look, there's a lake. Ah, a dip would be amazing right now. I know, here we go. Everybody's in a hurry. I don't know, people, even in nature, they're in a hurry. They should slow down and enjoy the nature. Look at this gnarly tree. Look at Noah. I'm looking for a stop to grab some lunch a bit off the trail, and look what I found. It's like a sea of bluebells. This is where I'm gonna sit and cook. Oh, it smells divine. It's time for some lunch, guys. I have here some smoked bacon, some pastrami, sausages, and eggs. Noah is eagerly waiting. This is my setup. Just a small camping gas stove, small pot, pan. Yeah, let's do this. Slight change of plans. I'm gonna cook in the pot and I'm gonna eat in the pan. I'm gonna add just a little bit of ghee. Okay, so it's all done. This is my lunch, guys. Eggs, bacon, sausages, some cucumbers, some radish. Looks delicious. Let's begin. Now don't you think that I'm selfish. I left some for Noah as well. I mixed it in here with her food. Here you go, Norika. Enjoy your meal. Was delicious. Now for dessert, some blueberries, and a kiwi. We're living like kings. These are the biggest mushrooms I ever saw. Wow. Dead oak. So we follow the acorn. The Ridgeway follows one of the oldest roads in the UK, in Britain. It's been here before the Romans, during the Celtic age, and it starts at Ivinghoe Beacon near Watford and goes through the Chiltern Hills all the way to Avebury. Was a trading route, a pilgrimage route, because Avebury was a sacred place for pagans. Also a military road. All along the Ridgeway, on most of the hilltops, used to be Iron Age hill forts. That's why we have to climb so many hills, because it goes through every one. Yeah. Now it's a long walking trail. We've been on parts of the Ridgeway before, on the Chiltern Hills episode, but now the plan is to walk it. Obviously, because of work, I can't walk it all the way through. It would take me like 6-7 days, but I'll start with 2 days. First day, Ivinghoe Beacon to Wendover. And the second day, half a day, I'm gonna walk from Wendover to Princess Risborough. So far it's amazing. Nature, wildlife, the smells are amazing. All the flowers blooming, grass, everything. I love it. I hope you're enjoying it too. There are some horses ahead. I put Noah on the lead because she's known for barking at horses. She thinks she's a smaller horse. So let's see if we can pass without any issue. The horses are going in the same direction as us, so I'm just gonna trail behind them. We're getting close to town of Tring, so maybe they'll step away from the trail around there. They went that way. We're going that way. Even better. Oh, it's beautiful around here. I hope we're not walking on the road. Yeah. This is the classic English countryside. So beautiful. Tring train station. Hello, buddy. Sorry for Noah. Stop it, Noah. Ridgeway. Stop it. Stop it. They're beautiful horses. Stop it. They ignore you, don't you see? The horses. She just thinks she's a smaller horse and she's jealous of them. No good, Noah, no good. Fortunately, those horses were smarter than her and they just ignored her. Even if we both ate, Noah and I, the backpack still feels heavy. I'm gonna have to check it, maybe Kami put in some stones. Oh my god, it's like it had 25 kilos to begin with. I believe now it's heavier. Oh. A real training. Someone has a lot of bees over here, a lot of beehives. I can see why they put their beehives here, because it smells beautiful. That's the road going to Aylesbury or London that way. Sheep! A lot of sheep. Nice little lambs. That mama has two. Beautiful cows. I'm not in Scotland, but that's how Scottish called cows, coos. Hello. Noah's gonna feel threatened that she's gonna bark at them. Hello, little cows. You're not so little, are you? Noah feels threatened. Stop it. Stop it. Why did you do that? Hello. No, stop barking. Ah. We can't. I wanted to enjoy the cows, but we can't. Not with this one. The crazy one. Bye, cows. Sorry. They're still curious. Such a nice fence. That's where I'm going. So I did half the distance. Here, just by the bench. Oh, it's already broken. I think it's a dryad saddle called, or yeah, in Romanian it's trout of the wood. It's edible, but it's a bit old. Yeah, we had a rest. Now we're gonna carry on. Just look at all these bluebells. It's like a carpet. Erika, say hi. I was halfway through my water supply, and just as I got out of Tring Country Park, there's a honey buzz barn, and they're so kind, they have a tap over there by the side of the building. I hope it's drinkable water, I'm not sure. It's just, I don't think I'm gonna find anywhere else on the route. So honey buzz barn, thank you very much for the water. You've been very helpful. Cheers. Time for a short break. Starting to get tired. There's a massive hole here. Noah nearly caught 2 pheasants just now. They literally flew from under her nose. So maybe we're gonna have game for dinner. From seas of bluebells, now there's a sea of dandelions. Eyes on. Hey! Hey! She's got the zoomies! Haha! And a piece of poop. I can show you a very interesting thing. Look, so that's a hedge. That's a normal hedge. They cut it with a tractor, with a flail. This is a laid hedge. This is how they used to do it before they had the machines. You see? So they cut the trees at the bottom and they bend them. And on top they braid these branches. These were made to fence in livestock, usually. Beautiful. I'm 7 hours in the hike. I love it, but when I see a hill, I get a bit disheartened. I can do it though. If I think I can't, David Goggins pops into my mind and I'll just go for it. Stay hard. We're getting closer to Wendover. I think it's time to look for a campsite. You know, wild camping in England is so. But if I pitch late, leave early and leave no trace, shouldn't be any issues. I'm very respectful to the environment. I think Noah saw something again. I found the spot. I just have to clear a bit the branches and flat ground away from the trails, a bit secluded, a bit of light. Yeah, I'm excited. Yeah, this is gonna be our home for the night. Quick and easy. I think it took me 10 minutes. Look at it. I was already there. I'm gonna inflate the mattress and get it nice and cozy now. So let me present you the campsite. Everything starts with Noah, as usual. The campsite. Look at the surroundings. This is the tent. Everything's ready inside. My sleeping bag, Noah's sleeping bag. I'm gonna get everything inside. This is my fire and kitchen area. Gather some firewood. I'm gonna make a fire here. I'm gonna have to cook something in the charcoal. Made a nice table. The light. Yeah, they like it. I love it. I feel very cozy already. That's how you light the fire. With the flint. I'm tired. Time to make dinner. I have some nice steaks. It's a sirloin steak and two lamb steaks. Obviously I'm gonna share with Noah. And I have some parsnips and carrots. I'm gonna, with some ghee, some rosemary, I'm gonna wrap them in aluminium foil and put them in charcoal. Can't wait. I'm famished. Some ghee, some rosemary sticks. Oh my god, it's gonna be delicious. I'm gonna leave them probably for 20 minutes. Steaks are looking good. My pan is not non-stick, so things stick to it. I'm gonna show you a trick to clean it really cool. Yeah. You put it back on fire and add some water and let it boil. As soon as it comes to a boil, just use a stick and scrape it. It will be like new. My dinner is done, guys. Look at here. Steaks, veggies. Oh. The parsnips and carrots are just a little bit smoky, but very well done. Caramelized almost. A good life. Oh my god, it was so good. Oh, honestly, better than at a restaurant. I think it's time for a tea. some deer came by and they got spooked by Noah. I think a deer lost her baby and now she's calling for it, but oh my god, that's a creepy noise. Noah is here on guard duty, protecting us from the deer. Good job, Noah. Good job. I'm just gonna enjoy the fire a bit and then I'm gonna get inside. There's something over there. Maybe deer. I hope. Well guys, it's late and we're knackered. Noah can barely hold her eyes open. We're going to sleep. See you in the morning. Good morning. None of us wants to wake up. But we have to make some breakfast and be on our way. First things first, nice coffee. Oh. Here we go, guys. Breakfast of champions. Eddie Abu would be proud of me. That's it, guys. Campsite is done. Nice and clean. Leave no trace. And now we're on the road again. Ta-na-na-na-na-na. We are in Wendover, beautiful quaint town in the Chilterns. Oh, a river with clear water. Will Noah get in the water? Will she? Let's see. Why, it's too cold? Ah, it's actually quite nice. Nice and refreshing. We're just coming up to the largest infrastructure project in Britain, the HS2. It's a rail line from London to Birmingham, and it's a bottomless pit at which they keep throwing money for years now. I don't know how many years, probably 10 years. It's never ending. They can't manage to finish it. It's also a source of corruption, because just before they approved it, all the politicians and their friends bought land on the route, and they sold it back to the government at triple the price or something like that. Even Boris Johnson's father did that. He bought a farm and then he sold it like 1 year later to the government. So yeah, we're climbing now Coombe Hill, but I'm gonna call it the never-ending hill. It's like it goes on and goes on. I can see the top in the distance. Whew. We're almost on top of Coombe Hill. Over here there's a monument dedicated to the British soldiers who fought in South Africa in the Boer War, 1877 or 1890, I'm not sure. There's a red kite circling around. (1899-92) South Africa. Probably these guys died for the empire. for a break. This is one of the biggest hills in the Chilterns, if not the highest. Have extensive views all around. We had an episode of Walking Chiltern Hills. We've been on that hill over there, Beacon Hill. Over there in the distance is the Chequers, the Prime Minister's summer residence. I believe now the two-tier Kier stays there. The president of China was there once, Xi Jinping. I'm checking out the Chequers, the Prime Minister's residence. There's no activity. They have a football pitch behind the house though. Anyway, yesterday was a bit gloomy. I couldn't use my binoculars, but today is so bright and sunny I can see for miles. The views are excellent. What a beautiful day. There's a red kite circling us. I hope he won't attack Noah. We're gonna go that way. Maybe 1 hour and a half. We're at the Chequers, Prime Minister's summer residence. As this whole property is under strict guard, we're only allowed on this small path. There's a herd of cows. Noah, please don't bark. They're gonna stampede us if you do. Yeah? Relax. Keep it calm. Keep it steady. Haha, you wanted to. Get out of there now. No, hi. On top of this hill, it's the Iron Age Hillfort Pulpit Hillfort. I've been there before in the winter. This is a very famous pub. David Cameron and Xi Jinping, president of China, came here for a beer once. I have the picture to prove it. I'll post it up. They have dogs outside.
Who did? How do you think there?
We're not gonna stop though. I ate and I'm not drinking anymore, so what's the point? That was my face when I saw that. I have to climb up another hill, but it's the last one. I'm gonna make it. I was wrong earlier at Coombe Hill. This is the never-ending hill. Oh my god. I did it. I did it. Oh. Oh. I'm just focusing not to die for a little bit. We're on top of Whiteleaf Hill, the destination of our weekend trip. Beautiful views. That's the town of Princess Risborough. I'm waiting for Cami to come pick me up. But wow, what an amazing weekend and what an amazing hike we did. 32 kilometers in 2 days, 25 kilos backpack carrying. It was a real workout, a very nice escape from the city. I enjoyed it a lot, even last night when it was a bit creepy and scary with all the deers walking around our tent in the night, but it was alright. I put in earplugs and I managed to go to sleep. But wow, amazing. I can't wait to come back and continue the trip, carry on. I'm gonna carry on from this point towards Watlington or Goring, I don't know, we'll see. Princess coming over the hill, it is coming, it is coming, coming.
Hey,
Hey babe.
hey babe, hey babe.
Cami is here, my savior. That's a wrap, guys, from us here at Adventure Clan. Thank you very much for watching. It was an amazing trip. I hope you liked it. If you did, please subscribe. It really helps a lot. I'm trying to put out videos as often as I can. So see you next time. Cheers. Bye.